start with seasoning the meat. I'll be using, this is the meat I want to use for my Afan soup. I have some cow skin here. I have the cow stripes. This is the shaki part of it. I have the cow head, just some few pieces, and the beef on it. So this is the meat I'll be using for my Afan soup. What is to begin with, we want to season and cook this meat to softness before we start adding the veggies that we'll be using for the Afan soup. Pot first and season, cook. Alright, let's season. Properly washed and transferred into a cooking pot. We want to start seasoning my onions. From thyme. I want the meat to be so tasty. Adding 2 seasoning cubes first. When I add the total of seasoning cube I'll be using is 3. So for my meat I want to add 2. So when I add the vegetable like the water leaf, I will add the remaining one. Then this black pepper, I will not be adding much because I have one of these to add to it, and I don't want it to be too spicy, so that every member of my family can enjoy it. And I'm going in 1 spoon of salt, half tablespoon of salt. You can always taste for salt if it's not much. Fish, little water. I will not be adding much water yet. I'll be adding little water so that the meat can bring out its own water. So you allow it to cook to softness. So guys, I'll be using this water leaf for my Afan soup. I got this water leaf from my garden. If you don't have garden, maybe you consider having one so that you can be having fresh and chemicalized veggies from your gardens. So I'll be using this. I'm kind of going to plug it like this and wash and slice and use it for my Afan soup. Well, this soup, the major vegetables in this soup is this water leaf and the okasi, but it takes I think the okasi is called Afan in the southeast part of Nigeria, like the Efik, they call it Afan. So the soup takes the name of the vegetable called the Afan, which is the okasi. Without this water leaf, which it kind of even takes like a 50, let me say 70-80% of the veggies to be used. But the water leaf name did not come into this soup. I wonder why that is. It should have been Afan and water leaf, but it's just the Afan that come up on the soup. So these are water leaf. We're going to pick all of them, wash and slice, and I will bring it. Okay, the meat has cooked enough. The water has dried to the level I want. It must not be completely dried because this is the seasoning I use for it. To add the oil, I want to use 4 cooking spoons. I want to add the onions to it. I like the flavor these onions will give me. Some persons might not want to add it. So at this point I want to add a water leaf, properly washed and sliced water leaf. You will see how the water leaf is going to absorb the oil. And you know this water leaf has a lot of water. All of them will blend together with the oil and everything will come out so nicely. So I want to add more seasoning to make it more tastier. This is the pepper I used. Sorry, Scotch bonnet. I'll be adding a pinch of salt. Just leave it down. No water in it. That water that remain that time that will make it look as if to add my Afan. Here is it. This is okasi. They call it Afan. So this is what takes the name of the soup. It's blended one. Those things you are saying is crayfish. What we use to blend it out. So you kind of add it. So we stir. So our soup is ready. Delicious Afan soup is ready. So we are done. Delicious Afan soup is ready. So our delicious Afan soup